all about chemical properties of metals. Okay, so first chemical properties of metals is the reaction of metals with oxygen. What is the first property? Yes, boliye, speak. Reaction of metals with oxygen. Deepak sir, will you assist me? Yes, you can take one more. Okay, yes, we don't have a lot of time, so we have to do this activity very fastly. Yes, sir, one more. Yes, Ajay sir, please assist me. So, for doing this activity, I have to turn off the light. Sorry, fan. Okay, okay, yes. So, this is magnesium ribbon. What is this? Magnesium wire. Okay, we can say that. So, before burning it in air, so now try to burn this magnesium ribbon, and we have to collect the powder of this magnesium ribbon, so please burn it carefully. Okay, so okay, and this is lighter. Okay, so before burning magnesium ribbon in air, it should be clean. Okay, NCERT question mein hai, why magnesium ribbon should be clean before burning in air? Yes, you can do this activity as well. Yes. Okay, so now Deepak sir is try to burning the magnesium ribbon and identify the flame. Okay, I will ask you one question after this. So before burning in air, it should be clean. Oh, don't talk. Okay, don't be a careless students in my classroom. You have to maintain discipline as well. You are sitting in this classroom. So okay, so yes, so before burning, they are doing their activity. So when we kept magnesium ribbon in the atmosphere, then it reacts with oxygen and it forms the layer of oxide on the surface of the magnesium ribbon. So before burning in air, it should be clean. Okay, got it? Yes, so question is that why magnesium ribbon should be clean? Dinesh sir. So remove the layer of oxide on its surface. Okay, concentrate your mind in this classroom. Yes sir. Yeah, of course, you have right. Okay. Magnesium carbonate, okay, the main property is that magnesium reacts with oxygen. Which thing is that? You are talking about this magnesium carbonate? Magnesium oxide. Yes. Yes, you have a right question. Okay, so if you search this question in the Google, okay, then most of think that means some places they are showing that they form carbonate, but right answer is that magnesium oxide. Okay, magnesium ribbon reacts with, because it has magnesium metal is reactive metal and oxygen is the reactive metal and carbon dioxide is not the reactive metal. Okay.
Why magnesium can never be formed magnesium carbonate in the presence of air?
Okay, so that means magnesium has a tendency to react with this property of metals. Here I am explaining the properties of metals, reaction of metals with oxygen, not carbon dioxide. If magnesium reacts with carbon dioxide, then it will form magnesium carbonate. Okay? No, it's not magnesium carbonate. This is only magnesium. Okay?
Only magnesium oxide.
This is now I clean this magnesium. I clean this. I remove the layer. Okay, which is deposit on the surface of magnesium ribbon. So this is magnesium only. This is magnesium only. Okay. So yes. Don't talk, beta, please. Sorry. Okay. So which flame produce when we burn magnesium ribbon? White dazzling flame. Okay. So magnesium reacts with oxygen and it will form magnesium oxide. If you want to detect the nature of metal oxide, so I will say that they form basic oxide. Then you can say that how will we can say that these metal oxide are basic oxide? So we have indicators. Yes sir, you said yes. You come. Okay, this is the powder of magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide reacts with water and it will form magnesium hydroxide, and which is called milk of magnesia. If we want to check the nature of this magnesium oxide powder, then we have to add, yes sir, we have to add 2-3 drops of magnesium oxide, sorry, phenolphthalein indicator. Yes sir, sit down. So when we add 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein indicators in the magnesium hydroxide solution, then it turns into pink color. So this indicates that it is basic in nature because phenolphthalein indicator gives pink color in basic solution. Okay, so you can observe. So next is metals reacts with oxygen and non-metals reacts with also oxygen, then they will form acidic oxide. So now, yes, what is this? Sulfur. Okay, so what happens when sulfur reacts with oxygen? When sulfur reacts with oxygen, then they will form sulfur dioxide. And the nature of sulfur dioxide is acidic oxide. If we want to check the nature of sulfur dioxide, first thing is that we have to dissolve this sulfur dioxide into the water. So when we dissolve sulfur dioxide into the water, then it will form sulfurous acid. Okay, so how we can say that this is acid in nature? So let's take another example. Yes, sir, you can come here. Okay, so this is sulfurous acid. Add 2-3 drops of sulfurous acid in this. Okay, okay, don't talk. Yes, this is methyl orange indicator. When we add 2-3 drops of methyl orange indicators in sulfurous acid, that it will turn red color. Which color is formed?
What is the formula of methyl orange
Yes, sir.
indicator? What is the formula of this indicator?
Phenolphthalein indicators. Methyl orange, sir. Sorry, sir, I don't know the chemical formula because in 10th standard there is no need to tell the chemical formula of the students. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next property is that reaction of metals with water. So it depends on the reactivity of the metals. Yes, sir. Ajay sir, yes, please come. Please assist me to conduct this activity because it's very dangerous activity in this classroom. So this is sodium metal, okay, and sodium is the metal which is soft metal, and this metal can be cut with knife easily. Okay, so sodium metal reacts with cold water. Why? Why sodium metal reacts with cold water? Because it is highly reactive metals, but magnesium